David, what did you come up with?
So the descend ladder operator is pretty similar to the climb ladder operator. We still have to have a dry ladder in order to climb up or down the ladder. This time, in order to climb down the ladder, we have to already be on the ladder. So our preconditions are that we're on the ladder and the ladder is dry. Our post condition is that we're now on the floor, so we just kind of flipped the climb ladder operator. For paint ceiling, we know that the robot has to already be on the ladder in order to reach the ceiling, so the precondition here is that the robot is on the ladder. After it's painted the ceiling, we have two things. The ceiling is now painted, and the ladder is not dry. We haven't seen this before, but this goes back to what you were saying, Ashok, about we have to explicitly negate things that were true in the world before. The ceiling was dry, but now it's not dry. Similarly, for painting the ladder, the robot has to be on the floor. It can't paint the ladder while it's standing on it. And the post condition is that the ladder is painted and that the ladder is not dry.
This is right, David. Let us note a couple of other things. First, note how propositional logic is providing precision to the specification of these operators. That's the power of logic. It provides clarity and precision. The other is, once again, note that the preconditions have only positive literals, while the post conditions may have negative literals as well.
So Ashok, why is it that we can't have negative literals in our precondition? Why can't we just say not painted ladder instead of dry ladder?
David, this has to do something with the history of these notations. This notation comes from STRIPS, a planner developed in the late 60s at the Stanford Research Institute, one of the early robot planners that ran on a robot called Shaky. STRIPS, the planner, used theorem proving to form plans, and it turned out that the use of only positive literals in the preconditions made the theorem proving processes more efficient. This convention has just stayed in AI since the time of STRIPS and Shaky.